guys, welcome back to my channel.
What is she
Hey guys, a master at work. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Today we're gonna be reviewing this thing. It's an apple Danish, the Animal Crossing style, and there's an illustration. I was trying to read the katakana on it, and I think it just says this illustration is an image, which is sick. So I like how, okay, I have two friends watching me. One of them's laughing, the other one's watching like a supportive mother, which is somehow worse. She's like, wow, look at her go.
I'm so proud. Pursuing her interests.
Pursuing my interests. No, this is what the apple looks like.
Look like it's from Snow White.
A Snow White apple. Alright, and this is a little chocolate thing, I think. Alright, so this is the Animal Crossing Ringo no danish going in. Cheers. I don't edit these bits out, by the way.
Ooh. Is it a live stream? Oh. Sorry, live people. It's not for you. Wait, is this going on Instagram or YouTube?
YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
There's a nice cavernous hole in the center. I don't know where the apple flavor is coming from. Oh, it's hard.
Do you taste apple?
A little bit. Do you want a bite?
It's so nice looking.
It is very
Cavern.
nice. A cavern. There's a bit of apple there. Yeah, you can see the apple. There's your apple. That's so gross.
Not
just goes out of here.
Not to subscribe.
Oh! 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 That's not the name. That's not what
Her name is the Woods.
A little chocolate stem.
Now stalkers have something to hold on. You're gonna have to be dead and Oh, it comes with chocolate.
Yeah. Do you want to try the chocolate? Do you want to try the apple?
Okay. I'm gonna leave a piece of this for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's more like apple cream.
Something. Alright. One more bite.
That one also tastes like fake apple, like that banana tastes like fake banana.
But I like the crunch of the fake apple. But that's wait, oh no.
What?
Oh, maybe I didn't get a piece of apple.
You got a piece of
I just
apple?
ate apple sauce.
There's been no crunches so far. Alright. Family Mart apple Danish. Animal Crossing style. What would you guys rate it out of 5?
Personally, I'll give that puppy a 2.
Yeah, I'd say the same thing. I mean, because I ate that other one first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, well, this piece of shit gets a 2.